Hello guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be learning how to change custom loading screen to your desired media, your desired video and image. So to get started with this video, first off we need the file manager. The stock file manager won't or might not be able to access where we need to access. So you need to get a third-party file manager or a file explorer, as some people call it. So in my case here, I've got the Zackiver. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Okay, so we got Zackiver. You can download Zackiver from Google Play Store. So here I got Zackiver. We're going to our file manager. Now you need to put your video and your image in a file, in a folder, as to know where they are. But that, by the way, get your video and your image ready. So the folder we need to navigate to is Android, data, com.activation, files, extract quantities 32, and there are two folders we need. We need the image folder and we need the video folder. So let's do the video first off. So we navigate to the video. You should see a bunch of videos here, but we're not concerned about them. What we are concerned about is the last video, which is startvideo.mp4. Now you need to copy your desired video into this same folder. But first off, delete this video. I won't delete this because this is mine already. I've done mine. You should see a startvideo.mp4 here already. All you need to do is delete it and paste in your custom video, your desired video you wish to use. So after pasting, you need to rename the video. Just hold the video name, assuming this is my custom video, and rename it to start.video.mp4 exactly as you saw the previous video. You need to rename your custom video as startvideo.mp4 with the capital letter S and the capital letter V. You need to rename your video like this, then you save. Then we need to go back into our folder here and navigate to the image folder. Now you should see an image here also, a stock image from Call of Duty. All you need to do is hold the image, rename, and copy the image name. You need to copy the image name. The numbers might be different, but you need to copy the image name. Just double tap on it and you need to copy the image name and its extension .png. You need to copy it. You need to delete the image, which in this case I'm not going to delete it because this is my stock image already, as you guys saw from the intro. This is my stock image already. After deleting this is my custom image, rather, I'm sorry. After deleting the stock image like this, then you press your yes, but I'm not deleting mine. This is my stock, my custom image. After deleting, then you paste in your stock image here and rename to what we just copied. Rename, you double tap on it and you paste your copied name there, and that should do the trick. Alright guys, I've done mine already. This is my custom image and this is my custom video. Okay, so once that is out of the way, we're all done. We need to load up our game and test our game. So I actually choose this wallpaper and the video because the game is actually cool. It's Watch Dogs 2 game. The game is actually okay and it's just cool. So this is my custom image. My custom video should load anytime from now. Okay, voila. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. There you have it. So your custom image and your custom video should display here. So there you have it, guys. If you are finding any difficulties doing this, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be so glad to help. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, share the video to your friends so they can get to know of this new method. Also to enable YouTube algorithm to suggest this video to people like you. Until next time, till I see you, peace out. Okay guys, just before I go, I got to realize if you're making use of a custom video that the file is a little bit large, it probably wouldn't work. So all you need to do is just reduce the file size, the video file size, to a smaller size. I would recommend below 5 megabytes. I would recommend below 5 megabytes because initially when I tried mine, I have an I got a video of 11 megabytes. Yes, 11 megabytes, and it did not work for me. So I had to reduce the size, try other videos. I tested other videos like that until I got to realize it needed a smaller size image. If you should notice the stock video from Call of Duty themselves, I think is, I'm not sure, you can correct me in the comment section, but I'm not sure. I think it's around 3 megabytes or 2 megabytes. I'm not sure, you can correct me, but the file size needs to be very small. But my custom video I use, the size is 6. Is it 6? The size is 6 megabytes to confirm. 32 videos. Alright, 6.7, approximately 7 megabytes, but this worked. So I tried other videos of 5 megabytes, they did not work. I don't know why. So you guys could just try several other videos. In case you are trying to use a video and the video isn't working, you can just use any other video out there. So I just wanted to update you guys. In case you use a video and it did not work, you could just try other video or reduce the file size. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.